Hello guys, this is Esteban Tabira, and today I'll be giving you guys a small tutorial on how to use Python. Well, let's begin. First, I decided to do a small tutorial on how to switch from kilometers to miles. Simple, basic, but let me show you how to do this. So first, I did what we do in every assignment for the class, which was I named my file. So kilometers to miles. Simple. The author, me, Esteban Tavera, today's date, and the purpose. The purpose is just a class tutorial. So then I decided to display my message. My first message is enter kilometers. So whichever amount of kilometers you're trying to enter, boom, you put them down. Next, I decided to do my conversion factor, which is this number right here. That is kilometers in miles. And then we just calculate the miles, which is kilometers times the convection factor. So next thing I did was display the message right here. And now let's run it. So as you may see above, I did it earlier, so I was testing my little document. So now let's do 60 and boom, that's how it works. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this small video.